Oh my god, look at what she's wearing. It's giving the Gap.
You mean the gap between your teeth?
Excuse me?
How about you worry about getting braces instead of worrying about what I'm wearing?
Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, look. She still listens to Avril Lavigne. Her music's so dead.
That like your grandma?
Excuse me?
That like your grandma, right?
Oh my
That like your grandma?
Remember when you got rejected by Jake at the school dance?
Yeah, I love it when you bring that up. Remember when your dad got rejected at the hospital for a new heart transplant?
Excuse me?
Yeah!
I was literally joking, like you seriously have no heart.
And neither will your dad.
Oh